My position has been unequivocal. Any party aggrieved by a judicial decision, even if it is the government, the executive, they must seek redress through appeals or reviews, not through defiance or verification of judges or judicial officers. No one has the right to choose which court orders to obey and which court orders to ignore. In line with the principle of innocence of accused persons, our courts have continued to grant bail and bond to accused persons brought before our courts. In instances where parties have been dissatisfied with bail and bond terms imposed by the magistrates, they have swiftly moved to the High Court for review of those terms, and I'm happy to say the High Court has reviewed those terms to ensure fairness and proportionality on both terms. And I'm happy in this convening, we have many of our Gen Zs. We celebrate you, Gen Zs. I have admitted many of you to the bar. If you can stand, we recognize you. Gen Zs, they have no courage to stand. Please stand up.